Well, Peter here, down here near the radio shop. What we're looking at here is a project box. This actually is a light controller that I built for controlling 12-volt lights on the down in my basement area. So this is a computer power supply box. I actually go down to the local computer repair place and he gives me usually half a dozen of these things, and I end up using these boxes in all kinds of projects, hand radio projects and all that. So this one here happened to be a light controller box. Here, there's the, if you can see that, there's the schematic for it. Not a lot to it. There's a relay in there. So I ended up, the nice thing about this is, I use a computer power cable that fits the connector for it there, that goes right in there. So I also there's a switch on there. I ended up using the switch to as a bypass switch for the LED lights, and hey, all worked out good. So these LED lights, all homebrew light strip types, like that one there. There's one. So there's another one that I made from a from a vacuum tube. So again, kind of a fun little. These are fun little projects to make. But anyway, these boxes are really great. They I use them on, they're nice project boxes. They're free. Usually what I do is I rip out the innards, which is the switch mode, little switch mode power supplies in them. They're usually dead anyway, which is the whole reason why they're in the junk box. So I strip them out. Maybe I use some of the ferrites in them and a couple of components in them, but by and large, I will take these boxes and use them in projects. I use them like relay boxes for radios and all kinds of project boxes. So if you have a computer power supply that's dead and you like to build stuff, don't throw them away. They're kind of handy to use. So there you go. There's the story from here, and I hope you like that. So this particular lighting controller, there's a 120 volt AC relay in it. So when you turn my cellar lights on, it engages that relay and fires the 12 volt lights, which runs off the solar system. There's the little homebrew solar controller that I use. So the middle one is the charging amps, and I think the one on the right is the output voltage, and the meter to the left is the panel voltage. So yeah, it all works pretty good. But the main thing I wanted to show were these computer power supply boxes. They're handy to have, etc., etc. That's the story from here.